Welcome to Trivia Showdown. 25 questions, 5 categories, no multiple choice, not easy, not impossible. Let's begin. Category 1, General Knowledge. 5 questions. Think fast. Question 1. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Think. Answer: Mars. Question 2. How many degrees are in a right angle? Got it? Answer: 90 degrees. Question 3. What is the name of the tallest mountain above sea level? Ready? Answer: Mount Everest. Question 4. What is the smallest ocean on Earth? Think. Answer: Arctic Ocean. Question 5. What country uses the yen as its currency? Easy. Answer: Japan. On to the next category. Did you get all of them correct? Don't forget to keep score. Category 2, Movies and TV. 5 questions. Question 6. What movie series features a character named Frodo Baggins? Think. Answer: The Lord of the Rings. Question 7. Which movie includes the song Let It Go? Very easy. Answer: Frozen. Question 8. What TV series follows a group of kids battling creatures from the upside down? Got it. Answer: Stranger Things. Question 9. Which animated movie features emotions as characters? Don't overthink. Answer: Inside Out. Question 10. What superhero is known as the Dark Knight? Ready? Answer: Batman. Bonus question time. What was the first feature-length film to win an Academy Award? Comment your answers below and we will pin the first person to get the correct answer. On to the next category. So far so good? Category 3, Science and Nature. 5 questions. Question 11. What gas makes up most of Earth's atmosphere? Think. Answer: Nitrogen. Question 12. What is the process by which plants make their own food? Got it. Answer: Photosynthesis. Question 13. What part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Easy. Answer: The leaves. Question 14. What organ controls the human nervous system? Think. Answer: The brain. Question 15. What force causes objects to fall toward the earth? Ready? Answer: Gravity. On to the next category, Category 4, History and World. 5 questions. Question 16. Which ancient civilization built Machu Picchu? Think. Answer: The Inca. Question 17. Who was the first president of the United States? Easy enough. Answer: George Washington. Question 18. Which continent contains the most countries? Quickly. Answer: Africa. Question 19. Which year did the Titanic sink? Tick, tick, tick. Answer: 1912. Question 20. What wall fell in 1989, symbolizing the end of the Cold War? Think fast. Answer: the Berlin Wall. Question of the day. When did Mount Vesuvius erupt and destroy Pompeii? Find the answer on our Instagram page at Trivia Showdown Official. On to the final category. Do you have all correct? Category 5. Think and reason. 5 questions. Question 21. If you freeze water, what solid does it become? Too easy. Answer: ice. Question 22. What shape has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles? Ready? Answer: a square. Question 23. What is the opposite of west? Think fast. Answer: east. Question 24. How many hours are in 3 days? Let's go. Answer: 72. Question 25. What do you call an animal that eats only plants? Done. Answer: a herbivore. How many did you get right? Comment your score. 20 or more? Very impressive. Let us know what other categories would you like to see. Tell us on our Instagram page, at Trivia Showdown Official. Subscribe for more Trivia Showdowns. See you next time.